Weather alerts. Here is Skylar Doyle.
We're doing our 12 o'clock update a little early here. We have some breaking news just coming in, so that's why we're going to do this a little early. We do have the school closings list that is updating by the seconds. Carter County, Greene County, and Greenville City is dismissing at 1. Johnson City, the middle and high schools in the city, will dismiss at 12:45 and elementary at 1:10. Norton City will dismiss at 1:30. Southwest Virginia Community College will close at 1 o'clock. Sullivan County and Washington County in Tennessee will dismiss 2 hours early. No, I know Bristol, Tennessee, Bristol, Virginia City is closed. I've got no word yet from Kingsport City on a schedule change, though we will keep an eye out for information from Kingsport City schools. Let's head straight now over here to our radar because we have a severe thunderstorm that we're watching. We'll go to the watch real quick. Tornado watch for Southwest Virginia and East Kentucky until 6. Northeast Tennessee and Avery County, North Carolina until 7. Now let's go to radar because I'm watching a supercell that is starting to get concerning to me that is going to approach the La Follette area and push from Scott County, Tennessee into Campbell County. And this storm is rotating in the mid-levels of the atmosphere, and it's a sign that these storms can spend today here between Huntsville and Winona. Approaching Winona, there is mid-level broad rotation, and that is heading straight for the city of La Follette. Let's go and see what the Weather Service says this storm is moving at. And we'll do a storm track for you here. The storm is moving to the east at 40 miles an hour, so I'll track it all. Let's make sure our storm tracks are in supercellular mode. And let's track it off to the east at 40 miles an hour. And as we do so, this will be toward Norma at 12:06. Let's pull these storm times down here. Buckeye at 12:14, Caryville at 12:19, Jacksboro at 12:21, La Follette but around 12:30 or so. That's that rotation, and we'll see if that continues to strengthen. It's been kind of cycling here. We do have more storms in eastern Kentucky that we're watching closely. These storms move into a fairly unstable environment. Storms from just to the west of Corbin, up to Corbin, into northern Leslie County. There's Hyden, where that 118 symbol is. That's the Hal Rogers Parkway, just to the west of Hazard. Those storms not strong, not severe as of right now. But storms could again strengthen as we go through the into the afternoon hours, which is now approaching the afternoon. The entire area is in a moderate level 4 out of 5 risk of strong to severe thunderstorms today. This is a very rare risk. The Tri-Cities has not had a risk like this since for 5 or 10 years or so. A moderate risk, significant damaging winds. There's a 45% chance of significant damaging winds. Those some wind gusts and thunderstorms could exceed 75 miles an hour. We're also looking at an enhanced risk of a few tornadoes across the area and a medium risk of some large hail, potentially up to ping pong to golf ball size, again with any discrete supercell like the one that we have down into into Scott, Tennessee, and Campbell County in Tennessee as well. So again, it's this storm near Huntsville pushing toward La Follette that is rotating. If it continued its general path, it would move into our northeast Tennessee counties in a couple hours if it held itself together and continued its path. Do want to note Storm Chaser Reed Timmer is in the area, so you know it's big when the storm chasers come nearby. And he would just posted from he had just actually posted from Johnson City here. So again, we will continue to track the latest severe weather threat. We're going to remind you once again of 2 things. First off, we have a tornado watch in effect, and a watch means conditions are favorable. A warning means storm means that it is imminent. The tornado watch is until 6 for Southwest Virginia and East Kentucky, and until 7 for Northeast Tennessee and Western North Carolina. Just real quick, some school closings to get to. Early dismissals: Carter County, Greene County, Greenville City at 1. Johnson City, middle and high school at 12:45, elementary at 1:10. Norton City at 1:30. Southwest Virginia Community College at 1. Sullivan and Washington County, Tennessee schools will dismiss 2 hours early. We'll go off the air for now. We'll come back at 12:30 for our next update. But for now, live from the First Warn Tri-Cities Weather Alert Center, I'm First Warn Tri-Cities Chief Forecaster Skylar Doyle. Stick with us for the latest severe weather.